Hello everybody. Today we're gonna make a lemon butter rice. Delicious, great dish for anything, and I'll show you how. And for the ingredients, what we're gonna use is Behol condiment. It's a coloring seasoning, and what it has cumin, corn flour, and annetto seeds, and yellow. So this, it looks orange, but it's gonna make the rice look yellow. And that's a half a tablespoon of that. We're gonna put a quarter tablespoon of pepper, black pepper, half a tablespoon of salt. This is jasmine rice. So we're gonna have 2 cups. Now, what I found out is that cooking this, you know, most people use the ratio of 1 cup of rice to 2 of water. But for this rice, unrinsed, we're gonna put 1.5. So 1 cup of rice and 1.5, not 2 cups of water. Okay, so remember that. So this is 2 cups. So we're going to use 3 cups of water, and that's it. And you'll see how the rice will come separate. It all separated. And we're also going to add 4 cloves of garlic, about a quarter onion. To begin, we're going to add olive oil and butter when it first begins to cook. And then we're going to use a piece of lemon or lime. Either one will work. And that is it. And you'll see how delicious it comes out. And very fast. Easy. So 2 cups of rice, 1 cup of water, half a cup, and a half a teaspoon of Behol, 3 of these butters. And we're going to put our salt and pepper and give it a little mix. We're also going to add a tablespoon of olive oil, and then we're going to start our rice. And now that our rice just started, we're going to put our cut our onion and garlic, and we're going to add that into it. And you want this minced really nicely, because you don't want the big chunks. Okay, now we're going to add our onion and garlic into our rice. And we're going to put our quarter piece of lemon in there, or lime, whatever you have. Give it a little mix. And as you can see inside, you know, that butter is going to melt real nicely. And you see the water, it's already in a yellow color. That's what's going to give your rice that beautiful yellow color and taste. And it should be done within 10 minutes, so we'll see. And as you can see right here, the rice is perfectly cooked. So we're going to add our 3 tablespoons, and we're going to let it melt right in there. So we're going to move it around. Look at that rice. See how separated it is? It's perfect. So you just put the butter in there and let it melt all the way through. Make it nice and buttery. Look at that. That's beautiful. Perfectly cooked rice. So you can also add vegetables if you want to. You can add peas, carrots, whatever, while it's cooking, you know. But we like it like this. And for this dish, you can have Mexican food. It actually looks like Mediterranean rice, you know, like Greek rice or whatever. But yeah, like I said, look how separate the rice comes out. It's perfect ratio of water and rice when it's jasmine rice. So it's time for the taste, baby. All right, everyone, we're done with our rice, and now for the taste. Perfect rice. Look at that, nice and separated. Again, you can use this as a side dish for anything. So I want to thank you for watching, and like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Have a wonderful day.